Are your wired headphones giving you the silent treatment on your iPhone? Don't throw them out just yet, because we're diving into some quick fixes to get your audio back on track in just under 90 seconds. First things first, let's check the connection. Make sure your headphones are firmly plugged into the lightning port. Sometimes it's that simple. A loose connection is a common culprit, so give it a good, solid push. Next up, cleanliness is key. Pocket lint and debris love to hang out in your iPhone's lightning port, blocking the connection. Grab a small brush or a can of compressed air to gently clean it out. You'd be surprised how much this can help. Don't overlook the obvious volume control. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center, and make sure the volume slider is turned up. It sounds silly, but it happens to the best of us. Dive into your iPhone settings, go to settings, then tap sounds and haptics, and then headphone safety. Make sure reduce loud sounds is either turned off or not set to low, as this can sometimes limit the audio output to your headphones. Let's rule out a headphone problem. Plug your headphones into another device like a computer or another phone. If they don't work there either, your headphones might be the problem, not your iPhone. If all else fails, try restarting your iPhone. It's the classic tech support move for a reason. A simple restart can often resolve software glitches that might be interfering with the audio output. Finally, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS software. Head to settings, then general, and then software update. An outdated operating system can sometimes cause compatibility issues with accessories. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these tips got your wired headphones working again. If you're still having trouble, it might be time to contact Apple support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips.